Hi guys, welcome. We are at Studio 2. This is day 1 of the Caamelback Studio Tour. We are just getting started and I am at my studio here. I have a whole lot of artwork set up. This is the culmination of many months of very hard work, and I'm here with Silva, and we both have our artwork displayed in this home. These are a few, just a little sampling. Hey guys, how are you? VJ Style, Pure Spirit, how are you? Guys, Pure Spirit, you are amazing. If you are coming down today, one of the perks of coming to Studio 2 is Pure Spirit actually has their spirits here. And we have a whole series of flavors that you can sample. So I hope you'll come on down. We're here until 5 p.m. today. Just want to share another little sneak peek here. And I'm going to turn this around. Really fun stuff. Of course, we've got branding, of course, right? All right, guys, so come see us. We're here till 5 tomorrow. If you can't make it today, Sunday, we're here 10 to 4. We've got large scale art, as you can see right here. We've got some medium and small pieces. These are all wall art. And then we have my hand painted tiles. These are 6 inches by 6 inches. And of course, we've got my acrylic blocks. So those are low price points, $40, $50. So if you're looking for giftables, if you don't need wall art, if you don't want wall art, if you don't want to spend the money on wall art, then we've got some giftables too. And I hope you'll come on down and see all of that we have here because it's going to be really fun. And we're just getting started. Hey girl, Vita, how are you? Hope to see you. I know not today, but hope to see you. Today's the big heart ball here in Phoenix. So that's a big day for most people. But heart ball is over tonight. So hope to see you tomorrow. All right, guys, shop.IamLaurenMadden.com/Camelback-Studios-Tour. If you want to download the map, if you want to download a digital brochure, and of course, shop.IamLaurenMadden.com if you'd like to shop my work or see a selection of my work. Not all of my work is here, but a good selection. We've got a good selection here. Oh, hey, Mark. Hope to see you. Hope to see you. All right, guys, and yes, there are bubbles, of course. We've got wine. We have Pure Spirit, which is the tequila drink, sugar-free tequila drink. And then we've got food and, of course, music. And, of course, lots of art. And I'm doing an art giveaway. Last thing, and then I'm going to go because no one likes to listen to me just blabber. We're doing a print giveaway. So, hey, we've got some good stuff. So I hope you'll come. And Studio 2, Caamelback Studio Tour 2023. All right, guys, cheers. Dulce, hey, girl. I hope to see you, too. Come to my art show. I hope to see you soon. Miss seeing you. All right, guys, cheers.